Open an image in Affinity Photo, go over to the elliptical marquee tool or rectangular and create a quick selection. Then go to the brushes panel, and you can find that in the view menu and studio. Go to the right side and down to new brush from selection, and you'll see straight away that brush stroke is now been added there. Go to one of the shape tools, and then once you've done that, go over to a layer and down to rasterize, and then go to again brushes and go right side menu and new brush from selection, and you can see it added. Go to the gradient tool in Affinity Photo and then go to a layer and new layer, add a quick gradient. And again, you can use a selection, so go to rectangular marquee tool, say, select that area, and then go to right side menu and then down to new brush from selection. And again, you can see your brush added there. With your layer, you can go up to a layer and new pattern layer from selection, and then you can resize that. You can move it around, rotate it, etc. And then you can go up here to, say, mirror, create all kinds of different designs, and again go over to the selection tools, and I'm using rectangular marquee tool, but you could use any of the others. Simply select that area and again go to brushes, right side and new brush from selection, and it's been added again as another preset. Go to the paintbrush tool, quickly select one of the brushes and apply in black or green or etc. and apply it a couple of times, and once you've done that, you've got a selection there, and again you can go to brushes, right side menu and new brush from selection, and again that new brush has been added there. All these brushes can be edited. You can quickly go over here and just double click, bring up the brush editor and modify them. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.